Hi guys, it's your girl Hirat and I'm back again with another awesome video. And in today's video I'm going to share the tips on how to use African black soap so you don't dry out or irritate your skin. And I have 3 formulations on my channel already on how to mix extra whitening black soap, how to mix black soap for glowing skin, and how to make black soap base. And I'll leave the links down in my description box so you can check out later. And before I continue, if you are new to my channel, thanks so much for passing by. And if you are a returnee, thanks so much for always checking out my channel. So let me continue with the main business. Black soap is a handmade from plant-based ingredients in Africa. Many of us are running from left to right in search of where to buy African black soap, and sometimes because of the names we get confused, like African black soap, Ghana black soap, Nigerian black soap, Dudu Osun, Alata Samena, and so many more. The truth is they are all the same. Black soap is black soap, just that sometimes the colors vary, but it's just black soap and it's the same thing. Black soap is a solution for breakouts, hyperpigmentation, discoloration, pimples, stretch marks, and many more. And one of the greatest benefits of African black soap is that it is considered safe to be used on all skin types, whether you have oily, dry, combination, normal, or even sensitive skin. And African black soap is extremely beneficial to your skin, but there is a thing for you to take note. Just like anything you put on your skin, just because it worked for some or most people doesn't mean it will work the same for you. Everyone's skin will react in different ways depending on both the product and the personal skin. Some people get reactions using African black soap because they don't know how to safely and properly use the African black soap. Let me be truthful to you. I've used African black soap for the past 1 year now, and at first I didn't know how to properly use it, and this is what it caused my skin. I did a research on how to use African black soap properly, and I came out with this, and I said, why not for me to also share with my subscribers? Maybe they also will benefit from it. And I will advise you to do a patch test if it's your first time using African black soap, and I will recommend you to do it in the inner portion of your elbow, because this place is also sensitive. But if you find your skin to be reddish or itchy, or you feel it to be tingling, if you feel your skin like they are poking pin on your skin, because sometimes you have that feeling when using African black soap, just stop the usage. That means African black soap is not for you, so just stop using it.
If you have a chocolate allergy or you're sensitive to caffeine, you may also have issues using black soap due to high concentration of cocoa pores.
These reactions, just stop the usage. While some people are finding African black soap to be beneficial and moisturizing to their skin, some people find it to dry out their skin even more and make them feel tingling. And sometimes it mostly depends on how you are using the African black soap, or sometimes it depends on the formulation of the black soap. It depends on where you got it. But before you use African black soap, please make sure you wet your skin first, just the way I'm doing it in this video. Your hands to form a lather before you apply it on your skin, and mostly on your face. Don't just scoop the soap and slap it on your face just like that. No, you're gonna irritate your skin real bad. Just do it the way I'm doing in the video, and I'm sure you're gonna get the best result of African black soap. The first time using African black soap, you'll find out your skin is getting dry and tighter, even if you normally have oily skin. This reaction will only last for a week, and sometimes when it occurs like this, it's drawing out the impurities and the excess oil from your skin. Once the pH level of your skin matches the tide, dry feeling will go away automatically. And you can also add shea butter to your black soap if you have a dry skin or itchy skin. But if you still feel the dryness and the itchiness, try using less of the soap, since a little bit goes a long way when it comes to black soap. And make sure you moisturize your skin after using the black soap if you have a dry skin. If you don't moisturize your skin, your dry condition will be worse. African black soap is great for oily and acne prone skin because it is extremely efficient for deep pore cleansing due to its exfoliating qualities. What I meant for deep pore cleansing is it removes the dead skin cells from your skin, leaving it fresh, and remove the excess oil from your skin, and that's why it's good for oily skin. And even if you have oily skin, please moisturize after using African black soap.
And make sure to avoid the skin on your eyelids when applying your black soap, and rinse off with cool water when you are done.
For deep cleansing, you can use a soft washcloth like this and wash your face, but please avoid using hard sponges and hard brushes when washing your face with African black soap. And you can also use the African black soap to exfoliate your skin directly, but please be gentle. Be gentle when using it directly on your skin because it might irritate your skin. African black soap can cause tingling effects and sometimes burning sensation, leading to reddened skin, and this eventually resolves for most people. If you have a sensitive skin, please don't leave the African black soap on your face as a mask. When you finish applying, just wash off and don't leave it on your face because you want it to work perfectly for you. No, just wash off after applying. If not, you will irritate your skin, and this can cause your skin to over dry and cause redness as well. So please wash off immediately you finish applying. And one advice is that if you are a beginner, use it once a day and mostly use it at night. That's the best advice I can give you. Make sure to apply a sunscreen if you are using African black soap, because African black soap is a natural exfoliant and you have to protect your skin from the sun. The reason why most people doesn't see the results in the product they are purchasing, being it expensive or cheap, is because you don't use sunscreen. Protects your skin from the sun and UV radiations from the sun. And sometimes you get reaction due to the product, so it's better for you to get the product from the right place or you do it yourself. And I personally sell black soap formulated with over 20 organic and botanical ingredients. It helps cleanse and exfoliate to remove dead skin cells, clears dark spots, and whitens the skin. If you want to purchase this black soap, just contact me. I'll leave my number down in the description box so you can contact me. I ship internationally, and if you are in Ghana too, you can contact me for this soap, and I bet you're gonna run to me for more. So I'll end my video here. And apart from this black soap, I have amazing skincare products you can try your hands on. Black soap is so yummy and fresh and safe on all skin types. If you really like this video, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, share my video on your WhatsApp, Facebook, other social medias, and please don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So we'll meet next time. Bye and stay safe.